We are finally leaving! I'm Jeanette and this is Tilda. Buying a budget boat with a dream of long-term sailing, I got myself a lot of work. But one step at a time, the journey has begun, in no rush to sail as far as possible and instead taking the time to enjoy and sharing the experience with others. I hope you will enjoy too.
We are now ready to leave the home harbour Karlstad,
which is in the northern Lake Vänern in Sweden. Finally untying the lines and leaving is both such a weird and a really happy feeling. It's been really stressful the last couple of weeks with a lot to do, and leaving even knowing that we can't get far this year is such an amazing feeling to just be on the way.
Och så är det vi tre som kommer att hänga här nu. Det känns sjukt lyxigt och privilegierat och mysigt.
Johan is getting sailing lessons outside, so it's a good time for me to prep some coffee for us.
Seglet står bra och fyller bra där nere i seglet, tror du? Ja. Medan ju längre upp i seglet man kommer så faller seglet ut och så står det bara flaggar där uppe.
So now it's Captain Johan steering and looking really good, doing what are we doing, like 5 knots?
Yeah, 4.4.
4.4 knots on a nice broad reach, and I'm kind of happy with the sail. Claudio did a really good job when we remade the solar protection and also cut it a little bit differently, so it looks really good.
You don't come here for the crystal clear water, but Lake Vanden is actually one of the biggest lakes in Europe and the biggest lake within the European Union. But still, there is not a lot of boaters here, so if you like the nature and to have a little bit of privacy, this is definitely the place to go. And we didn't go that far our first day. We just found a nice little anchorage and dropped our anchor and prepared some lunch before taking the dinghy ashore. The island had a few small cabins that you can actually use for free. They are open and you can just go inside and stay for the night and make a fire in the fireplace, and it's really nice. One thing I really love about the Swedish summers is berries that grows just anywhere, and you can just pick and eat. This may look as a very peaceful place, but it has been quite a drama here. At 1979 the ship Vänern sank outside this island when it was out with disabled children, and it was really foggy and they didn't have any radar, so the boat ran straight at the island and hit it and sank outside. and they did manage to get all the children ashore, and they were picked up by another boat. But the wreck is still at the bottom here. They made some effort to salvage it, but it failed, so you can't see it from the shore, but it's lying someplace out here. Oops, hard to walk here. Well, we thought it was a good idea for Johan to learn how to sail. He had another idea. So we were rowing back to Tilda for a movie night with the Swedish famous movie SOS, which describes every way to not sail or behave on a boat.
We're gonna make the perfect summer drink. It's a blueberry gin and tonic. Large glasses for the guys, and for me, my moving in present. Kind of ugly, but still kind of nice.
Really?
Yeah, really. I like it.
And not too ugly cup. Is it called slush?
Yep. Well, it's gonna be cold at least. Somebody wants ice. And the most important part, really nice blueberry.
And this is from a famous Swedish company, perhaps?
Yep, they have everything. But it's important to use good ones, because you cannot use the one that just tastes like syrup or something. You get straws as well. Okay.
Oh.
Great.
Thanks for you.
It was the best blueberry gin and tonic I've ever had.
And this is number...
This is number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Together with chili. Excellent movie.
Yep. So movie time.
Yep.